Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 15th day of December. James Spann here, getting set to see some weather changes, but still one more day with a high up in the low 70s. Wow. All right, let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the Alpha Skycam network at the insane hour of 5 a.m. Always a nice shot there. Look at downtown Clanton. 'Tis the season. 10 days away from Christmas. Where did the time go? There's the Trustful Skycam overlooking Chalkville Mountain Road. Got a few hardy souls out there, and that's the Birmingham view coming from high atop the Daniel Building on 20th Street downtown, where it's a nice, quiet, mild Thursday morning. All right, you can see the deal. The southwestern system is kind of lifting out, but part of that hangs back. And you can see that sliver of moisture from Texas up toward the upper part of New England. We'll see clouds increasing today. Temperatures this morning pretty mild out ahead of that cold front. You can see that tongue of warmer air from Texas and Louisiana up into the Great Lakes. And again, clearly we should be up there in the low 70s today for most spots. Look at the watch warning map. I mean, there's just nothing going on around the entire country. Pretty amazing for mid-December. And that's a good thing, of course. Convective outlook. Forget about severe weather. Just a few general thunderstorms possible west of the state. And even there, don't think we'll see much thunder. Just basically showers. And that certainly will be the case for us tonight and tomorrow. Rain for the next 5 days. Valid through Monday evening of next week. Heaviest rain down toward Waco, Texas. 3 inches there. And the amounts here taper off from nearly 1 inch over the Tennessee Valley down to nothing at Dothan. And in this deal, I'm telling you, tonight and tomorrow, it's going to be light. The models are suggesting rain amounts for us will be under 1/4 of an inch. So not a lot to it. Thought we checked the radar early this morning. That's at 5:11. And you can see the rain is up around Memphis and Jackson, Tennessee. But again, it's just not much. So don't expect this to be a big rain event. All right, model fans. This is the 06ZGFS, the global forecast system, at noon today at 500 millibars. And you can see the energy that was over the southwestern states is coming up through the Great Lakes. New energy is dropping back into the southwest. It'll spin up a new storm. And the 588 heat bubble is down there over South Florida, Miami, Fort Myers, Tampa, Orlando, nice and warm. Here's the surface chart for today. Showers mainly north and west of the state. We might see a shower this afternoon. The better chance will be tonight and tomorrow. And again, we should be up in the low 70s. The NAM is showing 73 today. The average high is only 56. Tomorrow, clouds, showers around. We cool down because of the lack of sun. The high will go back in the low 60s. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, colder air returns. The sky becoming sunny, and we should be in the mid-50s. So that'll get us back to average. Same thing on Sunday. It's going to be a cold morning. Be close to freezing Sunday morning. High Sunday afternoon, upper 50s, maybe touching 60 in spots. Go to Monday of next week. Here comes our next bowling ball coming out of the southwest. And down below that, rain on Monday is over Texas and Oklahoma. We stay dry, warm up a little bit. Highs go up in the middle 60s. Tuesday, a surface low, 1,008 millibar low is north of us with a chance of showers and storms. And Wednesday, we go dry. But wait a minute. Let's look at the European. This is Wednesday, and it's wet. And you know the deal. The European has clearly been behaving better in the medium range. So out of respect to that model, I think we'll probably hold off the better chance of rain until maybe Tuesday night and Wednesday of next week. And it's pretty much the same setup. You got 1,008 millibar low north of us down there below Indianapolis. So could be some thunder, but don't expect any severe weather. Then Thursday of next week, we're dry. Nothing really cold. High should be in the low 60s. And let's just keep going. This is Friday, December 23rd, Christmas Eve. And every run's looking different out here. You know, we've seen some runs where cold air gets in here. Well, this time, no. And more than likely, this is right. The pattern doesn't favor, cold air shots. This is suggesting maybe a little bit of light rain there. And then Christmas Eve, that rain is gone. It's dry. And again, that would be relatively mild with highs in the 60s. And Christmas Day, December 25th. No phased look there, no cold air. You got a big shortwave up in Canada. You got one in West Texas. And down below that, if this is correct, the day would be cloudy with maybe some rain moving in. And every run I'm showing you looks different. And that's because this is in the land of voodoo. This is beyond 7 days. There's no skill. We're just looking for trends. But I think the one clear message, we will not have any extremely cold air Christmas weekend. And there could be some rain in there somewhere. This is suggesting might be Christmas Day, but this could change again. And we'll just keep watching for trends. We'll check the end of the forecast on December 30th. Troughing to the west, and that shows some colder air trying to nose in here. But here's the deal. This is the North Atlantic Oscillation. NAO. Look at the bottom graph, and you see how it's all positive. It doesn't go below the neutral line. And as we often say here, when the NAO is positive, it's hard to get really cold air down in here. It can happen, but it's hard. And if it gets in here, it doesn't last long. Until that thing starts to spike negative, don't expect much in the way of really super-duper cold weather, winter storms, anything like that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.